Do not redeem your credit card reward points in your travel portal because you will not receive the max benefit. And max benefit as in, if I did not use this strategy, I would have had to spend 75,000 points on a 5-star hotel in New York City, which, I mean, $750 for a night in New York, that is pretty on par, but who cares when I can get it for half the price with my credit card reward points? And so that was just in New York City, where I've used reward points on this, and this. And hence, I mean, me and my son, we be out. So I'm creating this video to share with you guys the real way to use your credit card reward points, because of course Amex and Chase, they're not going to tell you these things. So step one to the credit card rewards game is you have to get the right credit card. So get the right credit card that allows you to transfer points to reward partners. So let me share with you the credit cards that I love and that have been huge benefit for me. So the first card on my list is the American Express Blue, and this is a cashback card. And so I am cheating a little bit by putting this on the list because we're supposed to be talking about travel cards. But listen to me, I've earned $656 cash back from this card, and it is useful in this group because this is the card that I use on my everyday expenses. So the supermarket, gas, toll, streaming services, Amazon, Target, etc. Because I mean, this card, I mean, $656, like take that money and apply it to your travel. So I was able to earn this money because of the 6% cash back at the supermarkets, 3% cash back on tolls and the gas station, and then 1% cash back on everything else. And so let's get into the travel cards that I love. The first one up is the Chase Sapphire Preferred. You guys, the Chase Sapphire Preferred is my go-to for dining and travel. I mean, you guys know I'm a Chick-fil-A nut, so every time I am at Chick-fil-A, I don't know, 2-3 times a week, I'm getting 3 times the amount of points. So this year alone, I've been able to accrue 29,000 in points. Really can't beat the benefits that come with the Chase Sapphire card. I think the Chase Sapphire card is kind of a little underrated because of everyone's obsession with Amex, which we're going to get into. And you know what, with this Amex, it's the small things that matter, because let's say even taking a flight and you have this Amex Platinum, right? You know, old April would have been, 6 o'clock in the morning at the airport in the common area getting coffee or whatever. Now, new April, I'm like trying to figure out how much fresh fruit and how many cocktails can I drink in the Amex lounge. Let me share with you guys the long list of benefits with the Amex Platinum. So I'm just going to have to read this one because it's pretty long. So you get 5 times the points for flights and hotels, a $240 digital credit per year, a $200 hotel credit, a $200 airline fee credit, which I love because baggage fees are always extra now. So I could not tell you the last time I paid baggage fees. You get a Walmart Plus monthly membership credit, which you guys, we don't care about that because Amex should know better. We're Target type of people. $200 in Uber Cash, $300 in Equinox credit and Soul Cycle. A Resi account, which I use Resi all the time, but here's the secret. If the hotspot is booked on Resi and you just absolutely cannot get a table, call up Amex Concierge. I'm telling you, they will get you a table, and when you arrive at the restaurant, because Amex has booked the table, they don't know if you're Amex Platinum, Amex Black. They don't know. And I've done this before. When you walk in, they're like, okay, who is that? They are going to roll out the red carpet for you. So trust me on this. Try it. You get a $100 Saks Fifth Avenue credit, free TSA PreCheck, which, oh my God, TSA PreCheck, I don't know how people travel without it. Well, I mean, I guess I do know because I was one of those people in the past, but the TSA PreCheck, the Amex pays for it for you. You get cell phone insurance, you get trip insurance, and then you get this private jet program, 40% discount on initiation fee, plus a $2,000 flight credit. Listen, you guys, we're claiming that. I know. Your girl, we're not there yet for this private jet program. However, I had to list it because it is power in the tongue, okay? So do you see what I'm saying about the Amex? I had to save the Amex for last. Like, come on. So now that you guys know exactly which card you need in that wallet, let me tell you exactly how to do this. And so let's search for a hotel in New York City in the month of November. And we are coming across the Conrad Hotel that costs $793 per night, or 79,300 points. And as you can see, 100 points equals $1. But let's take a look at our transfer partners to see which one of our transfer partners can give us more value for our points. And so here we are with Hilton that gives you 2,000 Hilton points for your 1,000 Amex points. So a 2-to-1 ratio. So now we're going to head over to the Hilton reward site to see how many points do they want for each room. So it looks like they want 95,000 points for the Conrad in Midtown. You guys, if they are giving us 2 points for one, Hilton's 95,000 points is technically 47,500 points of Amex. All I need to do is transfer 47,000 points to book the 95,000 point room. AKA 47,500 points is technically $475 for a $793 room. That, my friends, is how you transfer your reward points to get the biggest bang for your buck. Anywhere we can cut a couple costs and still have our elevated experience, still have our bougie travel, etc., etc., that's a win-win. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and until next time.